subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and quick overview of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the retail box of Redmi Note 8 Pro, and the box price which is printed on this one is 17,999, but I got it for around 15,000. So let's have a quick look at the specs which are mentioned in the box. So this one has got the 64 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. The processor which is there in this phone is G90T Mediatek, which is based on 10 nanometers octa-core processor. Then it has got 20 megapixel AI selfie camera. If we talk about battery, it has got 4500 milliampere battery with 18 watt fast charger in the box. So this one is something great from Xiaomi. And apart from that, all the basic other details are mentioned in the box. And the color which I have is the gamma green, and the variant is 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. So I'll quickly cut the seal, and now let's open up and find out like what are all the box contents. So if I open it up, we have I think here we have the user manual, we have the SIM ejector tool, we have few user manuals, and we have the TPU case provided from Xiaomi. So this one is of a good quality case, and we had already seen that Xiaomi provides this case, and I had already done the unboxing of Redmi Note 8. If you haven't seen it, so I'll provide the link in the description. Please do watch that unboxing video, and let's see like what all other contents are there. So this is the device itself, so we'll keep it aside for now. Let's check what are all the other contents. So we have the battery, the charger, and the charger is 18 watt fast charger as mentioned in the box. So this is the charger, the brick, and the cable. Undoubtedly this one is the type C cable, so this is something good for Xiaomi. And apart from this, we do not have anything in the box. So these are all the box contents. I will quickly set up the phone. Before that, we'll have a quick overview of this phone. So the phone looks quite good, as you can see, and I must say it gets full marks in terms of looks and aesthetics. And yeah, they have already mentioned that this one has got 2 SIM slots as well as the dedicated micro SD card slot. So this is something very great. So guys, let's have a quick physical overview of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's start with the screen. So this one has got 6.53 inches full HD screen, and at the front we have 20 megapixel AI selfie camera. Then on the right hand side we have the volume rocker and the power button, which can be used to lock and unlock the phone. And on the left hand side we have the dedicated SD card slot as well as the micro nano SIM slots over here. And yeah, this is what we have on the left and right side of the phone. And then on the top we have our very famous sensor which is there in all the Redmi phones, which is IR blaster. Then we have the noise cancellation mic over here, and at the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, we have USB type C charging port, and the speaker grills. So this is the physical overview of this phone, and the main talking point of this phone is the camera. And this one is the first mobile from Xiaomi to have the 64 megapixel sensor. So the main sensor of the camera is of 64 megapixel. Apart from that, it has the 4 cameras, I must say, 3 here and the 4th one over here, with the LED flash at the top. And we have this fingerprint reader over here, and then it's written 64 megapixel super AI super camera. So this was a quick physical overview. Talking about camera, so this one has got quad cameras. First one is of 64 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel for macro shots. So this is all the physical overview of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll quickly set it up for you guys, and then we will have the in-depth review of this phone. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you want to have a physical overview and comparison between these two phones, which is Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So if you have any questions or queries, do drop them in the comment section below. I'll quickly set up this phone and then we will have the in-depth review. I'll use it for quite some time and then we'll have the in-depth review of this phone. So hope you guys like this small unboxing and quick overview of this phone. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell notification to get the notifications as and when we upload the video. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys in next one.